What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a Canva presentation tip that's gonna save you while showing some presentation, okay? All into a simple, fast, effective, and really nice method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, I'm using the Canva app, but you can go to the canva.com website, log in, and you're gonna be able to see these options right here. We're gonna choose presentation to create one, okay? Normally this is the size of a presentation, and you can review the left sidebar of menus. You have a couple of options, and you have right here design, and you can choose one design that better suits your needs, okay? I think this one is okay. Apply all 10 page. So here is my presentation, it's all made. Imagine that you have customized this, you have changed all the parts of the presentation, you have changed it to your content, and now review the upper right corner of your screen. There is no need to download the presentation. You can share it online, okay? You can just open your Canva into the computer and link it to a bigger screen, for example, like a bigger TV. So review the upper right corner of your screen. There is a share button, and right here we have download, but the focus option right here, it's present. Click on it. Now we're gonna click on present once again, and you're gonna be able to see the presentation into the full screen. But hover mouse over the bottom right corner of your screen and find these three little dots that if you hover, you're gonna see a tooltip called more. Click on it. Now hit this button right here, share remote control. What is this? This is a QR code that if you scan with your phone camera, you can control the presentation with the options that are gonna appear on your mobile, so on your phones. Simple and really effective, and of course it's nice and free. That is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Remember, you can also copy link, okay? So you can copy the link to share with another person, for the other person from other phone, control the presentation as well, but works great. And it is. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.